Hey, welcome back to Lights and Buttons, and today we will be revisiting a watch repair video that I posted recently, and I'll include a link in the description below if you haven't seen it already. Basically, I bought a Seiko watch and I found out that it was losing about 5 to 6 minutes a month, and so every few weeks I had to readjust the time. So I sent it out for warranty work, and now I've gotten it back for about a month now, and things have been great. Now, when I did a quick search on the web on how accurate these automatic mechanical watches should be, I did get varying answers. Some of them will say plus or minus 10 seconds per day in terms of the time deviation. But also I noted that on Seiko's site, it says that depending on the orientation of the watch and if there's any physical shock. For example, if you accidentally bang your watch, and in my case, since I wear my watch every day, I can accidentally hit it into the door frame as I'm going through a doorway. That can potentially affect the time. Anyway, this was a quick update to my last video. Hope you guys are doing great. We're currently very close to the 1,000 subscriber milestone, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you for supporting this channel. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.